This building was first constructed in 2006, but after some time, it was left to rot. Jacob West was brought into this project in late 2017, and after a few site visits and assessment, we came to the conclusion that this building had to be pulled down. Imagine pumping money into a project and being told that you have to pull it down. The client, who is UK based, was clearly heartbroken, but in the end, he gave the go-ahead and we proceeded with the work. Our proposal was a simple one. Divide the land into two and develop two separate residential units on it. We designed these modern contemporary residential units, and the client was clearly happy with the designs. One unit will be for the family, and the other unit will serve as an additional form of income. In the last video, we ended with the installation of the windows. In this video, we pick up with the construction of the biodigester. The biodigester is a form of septic tank. Although new, it has been around for quite some time. If you want to know more about the biodigester, then let us know in the comment section below and we will make a separate video on it. After the biodigester was completed, we installed the remainder of the sanitary ware and finished up the tile work. We also constructed the fence wall and installed the kitchen units. Once we finished with these, we did the painting and the last bits of detailing. This is what the building looks like now. Now, this is our completed building. Let's take a look inside. With this, we bring today's video to an end. If you have any comments and suggestions, put them in the comment section below, and we will do our best to respond to them. Also, like this video if you found it interesting, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel